With the release of our new Thinkware F200 Pro dashcam, we're also releasing a new interior infrared camera. With a full HD color image quality, the interior camera provides extra security inside your vehicle. But won't all dashcams do that? Who could benefit from an interior camera? Let's find that out and learn more about our new interior infrared camera. With a viewing angle of 160 degrees, the new interior camera adds extra protection to the inside of your car. The ability to record the inside of the cabin with color during the day, infrared at nighttime, audio and full HD image quality makes this camera a great option for rideshare drivers and cab drivers, offering a higher level of security for the driver and its passengers. As a rideshare or cab driver, have you ever had a passenger in your car who made you feel unsafe? Or maybe a disrespectful passenger? With the interior camera, the inside of the cabin, as well as the audio, will be recorded with clarity. Using the app, you'll be able to immediately download the footage and take any necessary measures. The interior camera is also a good addition for truck drivers and fleet managers, as it guarantees the safety and integrity of the vehicle, since some companies might have multiple drivers using the same car. Installing the interior camera is very simple, since it will plug into the front camera with a very short cable. Also, it can be mounted anywhere around your front camera depending on your setup and your vehicle's layout. For example, you can mount it in the left or right side of the front camera or underneath the rear view mirror. Keep in mind that the front camera only supports an interior camera or a rear camera at a time. The interior infrared camera is compatible with our newly released F200 Pro model. This results in a front Full HD camera and an interior Full HD camera, capturing clear image while adding an extra set of eyes on the road. The interior camera is also compatible with our X700 model, which is currently one of our main models with an LCD touchscreen, allowing you to easily review footage from inside and outside the vehicle in case something happens. The interior camera is easy to install and even easier to use, benefiting and protecting those who drive for a living.